Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you something special, which is a smoked Aussie bacon with the green onion and Chinese dry fried green beans. The ingredients are very simple, as you can see from the picture. It includes carrots, garlic, green chili, red chili, parsley, green onion, and green beans. So this is very healthy meal because lots of greens. As you can see, the smoked bacon, which is not ordinary Chinese bacon, but it's an Aussie streaky pork. Well, I don't know what that tastes like, but I will try. If you don't try, you never know, isn't it? Right? Well, let's get started. First of all, you need to cut all the ingredients into portions as usual. I'm calling this my cutting show. Actually, do you agree with me? If you enjoy my cutting show, you give me a comment down below, okay? Some people told me that they prefer listening to the original cutting sound, and I don't know what other people think. So if you think that the original cutting sound is enjoyable, just let me know. Actually, I really enjoy cooking because in my family, my mother cook almost every day, and we don't really dine out because my father don't like to going out to eat, so my mom is cook every day for us. So that's why I'm like cooking as well. In Chinese cuisine, we use a lot of spices such as garlic, onion, green onion, parsley, red chili, green chili, and so forth. So these kind of spices can make your meals taste more strong and delicious. For this kind of green chili, like the fresh one, it's very easy to cut off, but the dry one just a bit hard, and I don't normally use the dry one because fresh one is always better. Last but not least, I'm now cutting the parsley because parsley we use a lot in Chinese cuisine for garnishing and also to give the meal different layers of taste. Here we are coming to the main cutting part, which is the Aussie smoked bacon, also called the streaky pork. I really enjoy this part because when you cut it, you can see it's very obvious, different colors, different layers, and smell good as well. So did you enjoy watching it? Even you can't smell it, but you can imagine it really tastes good. Even it doesn't cook with other ingredients, it just it itself is delicious too. The sauce which I'm using include mashed garlic, I mean the minced garlic, and brown sugar, salt, cooking oil, and soy sauce. First, you add a bit oil, not too much, streaky pork already had a lot of oil and fat, so it will create its own fat. So you don't need too much oil for this. After you can see the fat of bacon, which is become a transparent, that means its own fat is coming out, and then we add all the herbs, the spices into the pan, and stir fry evenly. Now we can add the green onions in. It is very easy to cook, so we put at the final step. And here I have forgot something, which is my carrot. I should put the carrots in before the green onion, because the carrot's texture is harder. So just remember this, and you can remember next time. And now you can turn the heat down a bit, and then put the lid on, just to steam for a few minutes. Finally, I garnish with chopped parsley. I don't know other people doing for this kind of herbs. In Chinese cuisine, we normally using the parsley or basil for the final garnishing. So basically, our dish is done. Let's get started with the second dish, which is the dry fried green beans. Add some oil as usual, and put some garlic, the minced garlic. We cook the minced garlic, turn into orange brown color. And then we can add green beans in. Keep cooking and stir fry evenly. Add some salt and some other seasoning if you want. Then cook until the green beans turn into nice golden brown, and then we done. In fact, every time we cook green beans, we need to make sure that it's well done, because green beans, which if you cook just half and a bit raw, that will create like some kind of poison. So it's not good for the health. Therefore, make sure you well cook your green beans, which make your digestion better and metabolism good as well. Thanks for watching my video as always, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you can get my latest video. So see you very soon. Bye.